Hi guys, this is Carmen with Subaru of Puyallup. I wanted to take some time today to show you guys how to use your driver monitoring systems. Today I'll be demonstrating this on a 2025 Outback, but this is available on Foresters and Ascents. So first things first, you're going to want to take some time to adjust the seat to a comfortable position for you. You're also going to want to take a moment to adjust the mirrors in a position that you can see them comfortably out of. And then you're going to look for the memory seat on the driver's side door. You'll press the set button and then press whichever profile that you would like, or whichever button that you would want the memory seat to be saved to, either 1 or 2. When you hear the chirp, that lets you know that the vehicle has saved that preference. Next, you'll start to go into the display screen. You'll press your settings. You'll go on the car tab and go to the driver monitoring system. You'll go to register user. Press 1. Again, it's going to double check to make sure that the seats and mirrors are a preference that you prefer. You'll go ahead and press set. The car will prompt you to look forward. Once you hear the car audibly beep at you, that lets you know that it's saved your preferences. You can then go in here and customize the name with a driver profile that you'd like to use as well. It's as easy as that. Some nice tips that I like to let people know: if there happens to be a glare on the driver monitoring system and it's not able to quite register, you can go up to repeat facial recognition scan, and it will go ahead and figure out which profile that you're connected to. If you decide later on down the road you want to change your seat and mirror preferences, you can scroll down to update seat and mirror position, and you can adjust those accordingly. And that's an easy rundown on how to use the driver monitoring system and some benefits of it. If this video might be a little too complicated for you, feel free to come on down and have one of us help you.